We're back in Mark's workshop, and we've used so far the table saw and the thickness planer. The next tool we've got going is the miter saw, and we've got a small tool alongside there too, which is a measuring tape, and Mark's going to tell us what he's going to do next with those two items.
Okay. Well, because this is a rough board, first we're going to just cut the end of it so that we've got a good square cut there, and then I'm going to measure it to length and we'll cut that.
Okay, this way our whole nesting box will be all lined up and the pieces will be the correct size for us to put together. Here goes. Okay.
There we go.
How many of those would we need to make our box, Mark?
There's 6 pieces in each box, and there's 19 kits. So
Okay, so we'll have
quite a
enough
few
for
pieces.
everyone.
Mhm.
Yeah, that is a lot of pieces. Cool. Okay, thanks.
Mhm.